Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Android version and locate About Phone. Once done, make sure a screen lock is set because many devices require authentication to enable developer options. Now find the build number, often inside software information. Tap build number repeatedly. Typically 7 taps triggers the unlock. You'll see a countdown or a message like, "You are X steps away from being a developer." Keep tapping steadily and unlock with your PIN when prompted. Once the build number is unlocked, go back to Settings and navigate to System or Additional Settings. Developer Options now appears. Tap it, then toggle Developer Options on and accept the warning. This simply informs you of advanced features. You'll see many switches. Enable USB debugging if you plan to use ADB, and consider stay awake for testing. Make changes deliberately. Enabling OEM unlocking or background process limits affects security and behavior, so read each option. To finish, you can leave developer options enabled for future use or toggle it off to hide advanced settings. Turning it off removes the menu, but keeps system changes. Once done, restart your device to make sure new settings take effect. If you enabled USB debugging, revoke authorizations when finished to protect your device. Troubleshooting tip: if developer options doesn't appear, reboot and try tapping build number again, or install any pending system updates. Those can change menu locations or requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.